Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned all the basic to advanced concepts about dictionaries in Python with a lot of examples. So today, we are going to discuss about different dictionary methods in a great details with examples. Stay with me till the end because there's a lot of important techniques we are going to cover today. So without any further delay, let's get started. Like every other data structures, in Python, dictionaries also have a set of methods that we can perform on them. Before jumping into the methods, let's declare a dictionary first, like this. User equals, inside curly braces, username, colon, Sandeepan, email, colon, and a dummy email ID, first name, colon, Sandeepan, last name, colon, Das, role, colon, admin, password, colon, something secret, like that. Now the first method we are going to discuss is dot clear. This method removes all the elements from a dictionary and make it empty. So currently we can see that user dictionary is here, but if we call the clear method on this dictionary like this, user dot clear, you can see the dictionary got literally empty. So now the next method is dot copy. This method simply returns a copy of the dictionary on which we are calling the method. So if we want to copy the user dictionary to another dictionary, we can just do it like this. Duplicate user equals user dot copy. So you can see the duplicate user dictionary is now contains the same elements as the user dictionary, or you can say it contains a copy of the user dictionary. Next is dot from keys. In this method, we can generate a dictionary from a given set of keys which is denoted as sequence here and a given value which is optional. Let me show with an example. So, if I have a set of keys like this, keys equals inside parenthesis k1, comma k2, comma k3, comma k4, comma k5, and I want to create a dictionary with the given keys, we can do it this way. Generated dict equals dict dot from keys and inside parenthesis keys. So you can see the generated dict is now a dictionary containing the keys K1, K2, K3, K4 and K5. But if you notice, you can see that the values are none for all. So this is the default case. If we pass a value as the second argument like this, you can see that all the keys are assigned to the value 10. Also, one thing to observe here that the method is called through the built-in dict class in Python. Now the next is .get. So this method takes a key and returns the corresponding value from the dictionary. If the key is not present, it will return none. Now in that case, if we don't want a none to be returned, we can specify a value to be returned as the second argument. Let me explain with an example. So if I want to get the username from the user dictionary, I can do it like this. Uname equals user dot get inside parenthesis username, the key. So it's returning the username from the dictionary. Now what if I try to access a key which is not present in the dictionary like this? Is active equals user dot get inside parenthesis is active. We are getting none, but here, if you wish, instead of getting none, we can return something else, maybe a meaningful message like this. So this time it is getting the value property not found. Cool, isn't it? Next comes dot items. It returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. So if we perform the operation on our user dictionary like this, item list equals user dot items and then print item list. You can see it's giving us the list containing key value pairs of the user dictionary. But if you observe closely, it's looking kind of different from the regular list object because it's basically a view object, and also not regular list methods are supported in it. But we can convert it to regular list by wrapping it inside the built-in list function like this. So you can see it's now a regular list object and all the list methods are supported in it. Next is dot keys method. So it basically returns a list of keys in the dictionary like this. Print users dot keys. But here also it returns the list as a view object and we can definitely convert it to a regular list as shown previously. Next method is dot pop. It removes the element in the dictionary with a given key and returns the value. So we can use it like this. Print user dot pop and inside parenthesis username, that is the key. It prints the username as Sandipan and you can also see the username is removed from the user dictionary. Next is pop item. This method removes the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary and returns it as a tuple. We can use it like this. Print user dot pop item. Now comes set default. It returns the value of a key if the key exists in the dictionary, else inserts that key with a given value to the dictionary. So we can give it a try like this. User dot set default and inside parenthesis is active. You can see when no default value is passed, it assigned the new key to null or none. But if I give a valid value like true in this case, it inserts the key as well as assigned the value to it. Next comes update method. This method updates the dictionary with the element from another given dictionary. So if I have another dictionary like this, additionals equals inside curly braces profession colon software developer hobby colon drawing. And now I can update my user dictionary like this user dot update and inside parenthesis additionals. So you can see the elements from the additionals have been added to the user dictionary. And last but not the least, values. It returns a list of all the values in the given dictionary. Let's see it in action. Print user dot values. So here also you can see it is a view object, and we can always convert it into a regular list by wrapping it in the list method. So that's all covers the Python dictionary methods, and I know it's a long video, but if you missed any of the points out, make sure to re-watch it and it will definitely be clear. But if you still have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next videos. Till then, goodbye.